Next, I'm going to create my character's eyes, and to do that, I'm going to use the loop tool to create 2 squares on either side of his head. So first, I'm going to go to orthographic view by clicking on the little green circle, click on the geometry, press tab, go to the loop cut, and the top of his eye I'm going to place there. The bottom of his eye I'm going to put about there. The side of his eye, I'll put it there, and the other side I'll put there. Now I've got 2 eyes. I'm going to go to face mode, go back to select box, and select 1 eye and 2 eye. Now I've got 2 eyes selected. I'm going to come over here, press the plus key, create new, and it's already white. So I'm just going to call this eye space white and hit enter. I'm going to press assign. Now my character has 2 white eyes. Next, I'm going to add the blue part of his eyes. I'm going to press tab, loop cut, and split that one in half. And then this one, split that one in half. Then I'm going to come to faces, change to select box, click on this part and click on this part. Plus, new base color, blue. Double click on the material and put eye space, blue, enter. And I'm going to press assign. Now my character has 2 blue eyes. Next, I'm going to do the nose. I'm going to go back to orthographic view, use the loop tool, and drag it up here so that he has a big square nose in the middle. I'm then going to click on select box, change to faces, and click on his nose. Now I'm going to go plus, add a new material, and I'm going to make his nose I'll go with orange. Double click on material and call it nose, and then hit assign. Now he's got an orange nose. Finally, I'm going to add his mouth. I'm going to use the loop tool to do that, and then another one there. I'm then going to come to the select box, click on face, and I'm going to select this one, and this one. That can be my character's mouth. I'm going to go plus new base color, and this is just going to be a dark brown color. Hit assign and double click on the material and put mouth, enter. And off we come. Now that I can see his complete face, I'm going to make a few changes. I'm going to click on the orthographic view, click on his head and go to object mode. Then I'm going to click on the X-ray toggle and the vertex points. And I'm going to drag a box over his eyes like that. Then I'm going to hold down Shift and drag a box over his hairline too. Because I pressed X-ray, I've selected all of the loops around the back as well. I'm going to hit the G key and I'm going to move this part of his head around. I'm going to press the Z key to lock it to up and down. And I'm going to just drag his eyes up a little bit like this. Then I'm going to drag a box over his nose, press the G key, press the Z key, and move that up as well. Finally, I'm going to drag a box over his mouth, press the G key and the Z key, and move that too. Once I'm happy, I'm going to press tab and move back out to look at my character. I also wish that there was more of a divide between the legs so that they don't look like one block. To do that, I'm going to go into orthographic view. First, I'm going to select this leg, press tab. I'm going to highlight the vertex points. I need to make sure I'm definitely on X-ray mode so that I don't only select the front vertex points. I'm going to click G and I'm going to move this so that he's got a little bit of space between his legs. I'm going to press the X key so that it locks him to that line. And then I'm going to use the arrow keys to gently move that apart. And I'm going to hit enter when I'm finished. Then I'm going to repeat that with the other leg. I'm going to select them all, press G, press X, and just move that over slightly like that. And press enter and tab when I'm finished. Now you can see he has 2 legs and not just 1.